Today we are reviewing my beloved Treluxe products on my wavy hair. I'm so excited to film this video and to share my thoughts on these products because I feel like I have a lot of things to share about these products. I have a lot of opinions. First, I am shampooing with their shampoo. On the label of the shampoo, it says to use just half a pump, but I really do find that I need more than that for my hair. Half a pump isn't really anything. When I first tried their products, I did try to follow the instructions to a T, but your girl needs more than half a pump. The shampoo also supposedly moisturizes and makes detangling a breeze. Now, you guys know how much I complain about my tangles lately. You've seen them in action, and I find that this shampoo really doesn't do that for my hair. When I'm rinsing it out, I can maybe feel a little bit of moisture, but it doesn't help with detangling at all for me. I honestly don't mind that for my hair because I really don't look for a shampoo to be super moisturizing anyway. And you can see that this shampoo is a very gentle lather. There's barely any foam, so usually I do go in twice with this shampoo, but I only washed my hair 2 days ago, so today I don't really need to go in and wash my hair an extra time. Now, something really interesting about this brand is that they do not currently have a conditioner per se. However, they do have a leave-in that can double as a conditioner, so that's what I'm using to condition today. So first I'm going to comment on this product as a conditioner. So today I don't really have as many tangles as I usually do, but we were still pretty tangled up in here. But detangling today was slightly easier compared to usual. If I were to use this on a normal week where sometimes I can go 7 days without washing my hair, then this product is really lacking in the slip department to perform as a conditioner on my hair, and I find that I need to use a lot of product to get the job done. So as a consumer, if I were to rely on this product as a conditioner and a leave-in, then I think you'd run through this product really quickly, which wouldn't really make it worth your money, I don't think. Today I think I used about 4 or 5 pumps, but usually when my hair is super dry, super tangled by day 7, then I need to go in with about 8 to 10 pumps, maybe even more sometimes. On the other hand, I do really enjoy this product as a leave-in though, and I find that it works really well for that purpose, especially for those with fine hair like myself, as it's lightweight and it contains a little bit of protein too. So I would definitely recommend this product as a leave-in, but it wouldn't be my first recommendation if you're looking for a conditioner. This leave-in also smells very strongly of cinnamon, and it does linger after wash day. So if you're sensitive to smells, then you might not enjoy these products, because I do feel like they really do offer a lot of nice scents, but if that can be overpowering for you, then you may not like them. Also, quick side note, I decided to ditch the brush to style today and just use my hands to give it a go on my whole hair and see how it turns out. Moving on, I am now using their serum, and I really enjoy this product as it really does provide some great slip to my hair and adds shine and makes my hair really smooth. I haven't tried it on its own yet, but I'd suspect it to give me a very light hold, if any, but it does pair really well with their gel, which moves me on to the star of the show. Their gel is by far my favorite product of theirs, and since I first tried it, it's become one of my favorite gels. You can see I'm showing you how much I've used. You can see I've already made a big dent in this product. I've probably used almost half a tub already, which is a lot for me. In the past few months, I have used this gel so much. Just whenever I want a wash day to last, whenever I need something to rely on, if I have plans or something, this gel has been my go-to lately. There have been times when I probably have used a bit too much gel. I think I'm still kind of getting the hang of how much to use on my hair, but it adds great hold, and even if I have gone overboard, my hair kind of fixes itself and sorts itself out by day 2 or 3, which is something that I really enjoy. It gives me a nice cast, and I also find my drying time quicker when I use this gel, which we love to see. This gel is great for refreshes. I've used it on its own. I've paired it with other stylers. It works great on its own, and it works great with other products. Now, as a wavy, it's not often you hear us just using one product and being done with our hair. So to be able to use this gel on its own and get really good results really makes it a winner in my books. I then gently removed some of the excess with a towel, and I'm plopping. Then I will add a little bit more gel to my damp hair and diffuse until 100% dry. Here is my hair dry and in a cast. This shrinkage is crazy. Look how short my hair looks. Oh my gosh. I am going to scrunch this out now. Okay, it has been a while since I went crazy fluffing my hair like that, and I am loving this volume, which will probably drop in a bit anyway. Here is my day 2 hair with Treluxe. I'm loving my hair today. I feel like we're voluminous, and I think raking my whole head did give me smaller clumps, so maybe we aren't as defined perhaps, especially this side, but we do have volume, and I would say that the definition has lasted quite well. Let me know in the comments what you think of these finished results, and if you have tried any Treluxe products, what is your favorite? They do also have a cream, which I do not own, as I thought that it would be too heavy for my hair, but I know a lot of people really do love that product, so I'd still be curious to try it out. Out of all of these products, the one that I definitely will be repurchasing is the gel. I don't know if I can live without that now, and maybe the serum, but definitely the gel. If you would like to see how I achieved these results, which looked like this yesterday, then make sure to check out this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!